Hi there. Welcome back. Now that you have completed the first two pillars, let us take a look at pillar 3 and 4 in this session. 3. Purpose specific. Personal information may only be processed for specific, explicitly defined and legitimate reasons. To understand this better, there are some questions to ask. For what specific, explicit and lawful purpose is the personal information being collected? This purpose must be documented and adhered to. Is the data subject aware of the purpose for which the data has been collected? Data subject has the right to know what information you have and for what purpose it was gathered. Can you link all personal information collected to legitimate reasons for collecting? Personal information only to be gathered for specific, explicit and lawful purposes. For what time period may you retain specific personal information? Personal information may only be used for the specific purpose for which it was gathered, and thereafter it must be destroyed. This procedure should be covered in the POPIA Policies and Procedures Manual. How will you keep track of when personal information must be destroyed? You will be required to account for what information you hold, for what purpose it was gathered, and a date that information must be destroyed. What process will be used to destroy personal information, in a manner that prevents its reconstruction, after you are no longer authorized to retain such records? This is an essential step in the process. This procedure should be covered in the POPIA Policies and Procedures Manual. 4. Further processing limitation. Personal information may not be processed for a secondary purpose unless that processing is compatible with the original purpose. Some questions to ask. If you intend to reuse personal information, is it in accordance and compatible with the purpose for which it was collected? Should you want to use existing personal information for any other purpose other than what the information was gathered for, confirmation will be required from the data subject again. Is the data subject aware of the continued use of their personal information? When gathering information, you have to advise the data subject what the information will be used for and for what period you will hold that information. Thanks for listening to Session 3. Please complete the questions in the link below this video. And when you are ready, proceed to Session 4.